Our eye and lip attachment is my most favorite attachment. It's perfect to really arch those brows and plump those lips. Press the release button on the back of your NuFACE Trinity, pop off your attachment, press the release button one more time, pop the ELE attachment on, and you're ready to lift. Cleanse with an oil-free cleanser, removing any makeup, impurities, and oil. And then go ahead and apply your gel primer. Apply the gel primer in a mask-like layer around the mouth and the nasolabial fold. Place both spheres on the skin. Position 1, 2, 3, and 4. And hold each position for 1 to 2 beeps. And now the nasolabial fold. Position 1 and 2. Hold each for 1 to 2 beeps. Apply more gel primer on the lower and upper lid. Starting at the outer corner, slowly glide inward. And again, position 2 and position 3 right underneath that lash line. Now place both spheres on the outer lid, gliding inward. Position 1, position 2, and right underneath the brow is position 3. To arch the brow, lift right underneath the thick of the brow. This is position 1. Position 2, lift and hold. And position 3. Hold each for 1 to 2 beeps. Let's tackle those 11s. Starting slightly off center, simply glide up. And repeat that 3 times. Now let's lift the other side. Remember to keep both spheres on the skin at the same time to keep the microcurrent flowing. Use a medium pressure to lift and hold. And always start slightly off center. Tap in the remaining gel primer to enjoy those skincare benefits. And remember the NuFACE Fix to instantly smooth fine lines and wrinkles. It's the perfect finishing step to any NuFACE facial. Share your results with us on social and have an uplifting day.